Yeah, they're everywhere.
Righto, Sunday, 8:30. Not allowed to make any noise till 10 o'clock. Whole family's here, all nice and fresh, showered up, had a good sleep. Well, actually, I slept really well. Worked pretty hard last night. So today's job is to get all those ceiling joists repaired. Once here, the air conditioning guys have cut straight through and it's holding a whaler. No wonder why the plaster was falling down. Anyway, I'll get that done. Then I can get all this wall out, the rest of these props, get them all out. We're going to take that window out. We'll frame that up, ready to go. Hopefully get the boarding on the outside as well. We found a skylight. Like, that looks like the bodgiest skylight I've ever seen in my life anyway, but it's a skylight. That's got to be removed. So before it gets too hot today, we're going to go up there and replace that tin. Pull that out. And then all this wiring can get sorted out. And of course my electrician, he works on a Sunday, so anytime I ring him, he'll just come and do it for me anyway. He's a top bloke. Anyway, that's my Sunday. No church today, all work, no play. Keep watching. That moved. Why? There's nothing propped off of it. Anyway, a couple of millimetres in an old house that was built with inches won't hurt. Righto, one to go. Well, 20 minutes to 2 and we've got a fair bit done. So the cavity door's in. Not a worry, that's bloody beautiful. And I've just started knocking up the wall unit. It's, 20 minutes to 2 means that it is an hour and 40 minutes past beer o'clock. So, but anyway, I'm going to hold off. I'm going to soldier along for you guys. That door frame's been whacked in. That's all studded out now. The light switches are ready to go. Haven't got to the window yet, so I'll get that studded out today. I'll finish off that one. And I'll get this bedroom door in. I can't guarantee I'm going to do it before I have a beer, so let's keep going. Righto guys. Almost 9 o'clock Sunday morning, so I can start to make some noise very, very shortly. Progress. I think I topped it off yesterday on what was going on, so I guess I can turn this around. I've pretty much planned the new toilet and shower. So what we have here, that's just mocked up down there. Anyway. That area there is going to be the laundry coming out into the kitchen. All it is a laundry cabinet. It will have a wash machine. It'll have a cabinet down the bottom there with a little bench. A tiny cabinet, probably about 300 wide for your brooms and all that sort of crap. Running all the way to the top. And then overhead cabinet across the top to hold all your other crap. All that area there above it is going to be storage. Because in a little house like this, I think this is only 13 squares, maybe 14 squares. And also that wall unit will be all storage right across the top. Got to have storage. So this bathroom, anyway, the door will go here. You walk into the bathroom. The vanity will be down there on that side. The toilet will be over in that corner. And the shower will be at the back of the laundrette, so it will be functional. So we've got to that stage now where I probably should start chucking some costs up. Things like the price of the house, just up there in the top corner, boom, and what I've spent so far. Now, bear in mind, for the 2.5 weeks I've been into this, everything's been coming out of the house. Nothing's been coming into the house. So as we stand at the moment, I think today's figures are probably the one that I should run with. So we've got old mate Jono, the electrician, and all his fittings sitting up there. Good on you, Jono. And we've got some of the treated pine studs that have been running in there as well. So I've just got another load of studs ready to finish everything off, which I think was $400. So all the electrical and wiring, I'm pretty sure that's running about $600-700. Miscellaneous stuff that I just didn't have, like tools and crap like that, let's just whack another couple $100 in there, you know. But anyway, the price so far will be up there. Oh, the bins, don't forget, all this crap had to go somewhere, so it went into a 6-metre bin, and I've got another 4-metre bin there. So that itself will run at about $600-700 for those 2 bins to be dumped, which is that's a cracker of a price. You can't get away with any less than that, I reckon. So at this stage, it hasn't cost a great deal. I have put a lot of money into stuff that's sitting at home, but I'm not going to include that yet. Pretty much paid for the kitchen. I've paid for all the flooring. So as I do it, I'll put those prices up. Let's see how we go. Anyway, see what I get achieved by the end of Sunday. Righto, guys. So I didn't get the stud wall done in the bathroom. I'll show you why. So, after pulling these shitty pieces out of the floor, it's actually 3 different levels and 3 different rooms. Used to be. So, at some stage, at an early stage, because look at all this hardwood, somebody's built over it. So, I need to run the saw down that one to get that. And best just to refloor it, I reckon. Such a little area, I might as well do it. Righto, see how I go. Righto, guys, so we're coming up to our 4th week. This is our 4th weekend. I've already lost a weekend, so pretty much what we've done is been 3 weekends. Have I come up against anything dodgy or anything I didn't know was there? Well, no, I haven't. Everything that I've uncovered is exactly what I thought it was going to be. The only drama I do have is the roof. I was hoping to patch the roof so I could at least then start to get the plaster in, start getting the kitchen in, and start doing the floors and do the roof later. But unfortunately, I've had to order the roof. I've brought the roofing irons already there. It's turned up during the week. So this weekend I'm going to be doing roofing, which will be in the next episode. So apart from the asbestos on the wall, I was expecting asbestos. The floorboards, no good in the bathroom. Well, they're never any good anyway. And all the other stuff, look, it's all basic stuff when you're doing a renovation. The old wiring needs to come out, new wiring needs to go in. What else can I say? The floors, I'm lucky with the floors. I was expecting the floors to be worse than what they actually are, so I haven't had to refloor everything. So anyway, keep watching and like and subscribe and hook into the next video if you guys are interested to keep watching me. Cheers.